Right. I will explain why we're doing it at night in the video. I'll start doing this. The time is about 9 o'clock now in a summer evening. Right. I've never done this, by the way. This is my first time to do this, so I'm going to be learning on the job. I am not very good at DIY, so if I manage this, then anyone can do it. No, that's fine, sir. That's fine.
What happened to this?
Can you? No, don't worry about that. You record me opening this thing. Right.
How'd you open it?
Are you recording?
Yes. Do you want to see your face?
No. It would be nice, but as you know, we don't normally read instructions, so I'm going to try and read the instruction of how to open this. It says, okay, I need to press something. I saw it on YouTube, someone was pressing something, so I think let me lift this up first. Right, there we are.
Alex, move.
That was easy.
Missed it. Bye, Alex.
Fine. Right, I am going to use a brush and maybe some of these rollers. I don't know if they will work, but the tin does say you can use.
That's right. That was fine.
Huh?
That was fine.
I don't know.
That doesn't work like that, does it?
I'll use a brush.
That looks so bad. I need a refund on the brush.
But let's put it in first.
Basically shedding itself. Like a dog or something.
Right. I'll put it in first. Then we will see. Right. It smells
Like petrol. Cheeseburgers. It looks like a sad color. It looks like oil.
It's oil, darling.
No, like proper like petrol. Doesn't look like what color it's supposed to be.
Right. Never done this.
And if it turns out bad, we're never letting you do it again.
It's a learning curve.
Sure.
Right.
Oh, it looks so watery. You're supposed to be like dying.
I'm putting it in the sides as well, in the gap, so that we can protect the sides of the wood.
Literally. Missed.
In a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
It looks a bit shiny, is that okay?
It's now 9:30 in the evening, and the sun has set, and we are still going here. My daughter is helping me out, and I'm now getting worried about the amount of oil that is left, whether it's going to get to finish all the decking. Will be another matter. We might not have a second coat. Definitely, actually, we don't have a second coat. Not we might, we definitely don't. So we've done, my daughter has done this end. There's still the sides as well there, that to do. So yeah, we need to be conservative, I think, with the amount of oil that we're putting. I think at the beginning, as you can see, still looking wet. I think we're being too generous. That part is now proving a bit difficult. The step is proving difficult because you can't step on that and you need to do that, so it's a bit hard work to go around it, but we will try our best. We have been doing this for about 50 minutes, which is impressive, absolutely impressive. We still got that bit on the side to do, on the side, but the top is nearly done, and definitely there is no second coat. I think we are wasteful is a good term I can use, you know. As you can see, my daughter is struggling too on the last ones. Like there are gaps. Can you see the color?
So demanding.
But can you see though? Yeah. Right. Welcome back. It's been about 12 to 15 hours or so after we've painted. Right, here are the results. Wow. It looks amazing. It looks good. This one looks slightly darker. So as I said, I'm not really a DIY person, and probably I needed to clean that more to make it freshen up a bit, so that it's a nice color. Then as you can see as well, there's a couple of a centimeter or so difference in these, which is one of those, we bought them separately, you know, that's why they are like that. But yeah, all good. There'll be a flower plant here. Then yeah, we've tried our best, and I think the results are quite good. That oil is very, very good, and I would recommend it. It's easy to put on, and it also covers a big area. This is 3.2 meters by 4 meters, which is about 12 square meters, and I still got a bit left, so the 5 liters was more than enough. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Remember, the channel itself is for EVs, and you know how to transition from ICE vehicles to electric vehicles. So do, you know, look at that channel. But I've done some more gardening work and some more DIYs as I grow into my handiwork, as I say. Anyway, take care, bye.